Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to everybody. Let's experience the education. So in this video, we will go through some more theory part. So let's learn what is semantic and non-semantic element that describe something. It means the tags which actually describe its meaning. Example, form tag. सो बाय लुकिंग ऑन इट आपको ये पता चल रहा होगा कि फॉर्म टैग क्या करता है, फॉर्म क्रिएट करता है। टेबल टैग क्या क्रिएट करता है, टेबल क्रिएट करता है। एसाइड मीन्स ये एसाइड का पोर्शन क्रिएट करता है। आर्टिकल मीन्स हम आर्टिकल क्रिएट कर सकते। आई होप दिस इज somewhat clear. And non-semantic element is that element that does not describe any meaning. Example, div tag and span tag. Is it describing you anything? No, it is not describing you anything. So let's take an example, div tag. So this div tag is non-semantic, this is article tag. So this is semantic, and this describes that it is article, and it is form tag which gives you a form, and this is input tag. This also describe you that this is input this is input element where you can input your name. This is span tag, it is not describing you anything. This is input tag and type is radio, so it is describing that I am a radio button. So I hope you are clear with all these terms. So simple semantic are the elements which describe its meaning, and non-semantic which does not describe its meaning. Okay, so in the previous video I have told you that in the next video we will learn about I tag and em tag, and the difference between I and em, and the difference between B and strong. So all the four tags are the semantic tag. So I and em both makes the text italic, but there is a one difference between them. We will only make use of em tag when we have to push some stress on some content, else we use I. So क्या था कि पहले जो HTML थी, HTML4, उसमें जो I एलिमेंट था वो केवल स्टाइल के लिए यूज़ होता था। I मीन्स इटैलिक, हमें इटैलिक बनाना है तो हमने I को यूज़ कर लिया। लेकिन अब HTML5 में आपको देख के यूज़ करना है, मतलब लॉजिकल चीज़ें यूज़ करनी है। हम लोग को ये देखना है कि क्या हम जो कंटेंट लिख रहे हैं, अगर उसको केवल इटैलिक बनाना है तो तब तो आई यूज़ कर सकते हैं। अगर हमें वो इटैलिक बनाना है लेकिन वो हमारे लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट भी है, तो हम उसका em टैग यूज़ करेंगे। लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल। ओके, सो मेरा आप एग्जाम्पल सुनिएगा। सो इफ़ आई टेल आई हैव जस्ट चेंज द नेम ऑफ माई यूट्यूब चैनल, दैट इज़ लर्न कोड ईजली, and now I am reading the second one. I have just changed the name of my YouTube channel from Learn Code Easily to Edu Everybody. I hope you have got the difference. So I am putting stress on Learn Code Easily to Edu Everybody. Okay, so I hope this is clear. And what's the difference between B and strong? So both makes the text bold, but strong not only make the content bold, but also adds some semantic meaning to the content. Means we have to use strong to highlight a content that is important in terms of content. So simply I can say I have just changed the name of my YouTube channel, that is Learn Code Easily. Now I am saying the second one. I have just changed the name of my YouTube channel from Learn Code Easily to Edu Everybody. Means I have some important content, and that is the Learn Code Easily, was my previous channel, and my Edu Everybody is the new channel that has been renamed. So आपको दिमाग में क्या इतना रखना है कि I और B को तब यूज़ करना है जब आपको स्टाइल के लिए यूज़ करना हो। जब आपको इटैलिक बनाना हो तो आप I यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बोल्ड बनाना है तो आप B यूज़ कर सकते हैं। आपको बोल्ड बनाना है और कोई कंटेंट आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट भी है तो उसे आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है। और em में क्या होता है कि em अगर आपको कोई वर्ड पे स्ट्रेस देना है तो आप उस केस में em को यूज़ करोगे। I hope this is clear, guys. So in the next video we will go some coding part, though we will code the previous program, that is the semantic and the non-semantic one. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.